Hello, welcome to another video of Learning English. Today, our topic is describing an object. Let us do a simple description which is suitable for students and beginners of learning English. And you must note that this is an English lesson, so there is no need of a technical description. And take care to describe the object in the picture itself. Now, there are certain steps for describing an object. First, you have to identify the object. What is the object? And then mention its main use. Then you can mention each part. When you're describing each part, you must you must describe its shape, the material which it is made up of, and its utility. That is, the part's importance in the object as a whole. So you look at the picture, I'll give a short description. Let us begin. The object seen here is a table fan. It is used to cool down the temperature of a small area. It is used in houses, offices, shops, etc. to cool a personal space. Its base is round in shape and the color is white. It is made of plastic or light metal. It supports the entire machine. The switch and the speed regulator is fixed on the lower part of the base. They are usually made of plastic. There is a power cord. One end of it is attached to the fan motor through the base, and the other end to a 3 or 2 pin plug. The plug is usually made of a plastic coating. Next, there is a guard. It is a covering for the blades to prevent anything from outside touching the blade and being cut. It is a plastic or metal wire in the form of a metal case. It is round in shape and gray in color. Inside we can see the blades, which is used to push the air and make the temperature cool. We can see 4 fan blades in the shape of flower petals. They are usually made of light steel, aluminum, or any other metal. The most important part of the fan is the motor and its housing. The motor housing is an oval box-like structure which protects the motor in it. It is also made of plastic or metal. The housing and the motor are placed above the hub of the fan. These parts together make a complete table fan. They are usually seen in different sizes and colors and can even be used in cars and other vehicles. So now I have described a table fan. We have come to the end of today's video. You can take up other pictures and describe it in the same manner. Thank you. And if you like the video, please share and subscribe.